Hey everybody, welcome back to the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Hopefully the wind doesn't get to you too much. We've got a 2018 Chevy Silverado that we sent up 3.5 inches on the rough country kit. We put on the Iron Cross winch bumper with the rough country winch. These tires are a 275/70 R18 and they're wrapped around an 18 by 9 inch wheel. These are the Onyx Wheels. These tires are the Falcon Wild Peaks. We do have a video for that, so go ahead and click the card in the top right corner of the screen. If you've got any other questions about this kit, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and give us a subscribe while you're at it. Thanks.